If you're watching this video, like it and subscribe to Just the Chords for all of our scale and chord tutorial videos. Today we're talking about A flat, the A flat major scale. We'll show it in the right hand, then the left hand, and then both hands. In our A flat major scale, we have 4 flats: A flat, B flat, D flat, E flat. Starting in the right hand, the first time I will show the note names, the second time I'll show the fingering numbers. Starting on the middle finger on A flat, first time we got A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat. Backwards, flat, flat, flat. Very nice. Starting on the middle finger on A flat, that's a 3, we go 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3. In the left hand, start again on the third finger. We'll show it first with note names and then with fingerings. We go A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat. Same on the way down. Now with fingerings, we start on 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Start and end on 3 in both hands. Let's try it together. Ready, and. Third finger on both hands. Ends on the third finger. Do that again for practice. I encourage it, and then play on to the next scale video.